big, fat tires on the back of your truck looks killer. You gotta do it. So, you gotta widen your tubs. The originals only come about 11-inch wide. We're gonna need a lot more width than that. So today what I'm gonna do is show you how to cut down the middle, add your metal, do your metal work, grind it on down, do your body work, block sand it, primer it, the whole 9 yards. My name is David Welch. I'm a custom car builder down here in Southern California. I'm coming to you from Brothers Tech Center to show you how to widen your tubs. There, you're done. No cutting, no welding, none of that. I just go down to Brothers, I buy a 16-inch wide tub that looks completely original, and I don't have to do any of that work. Do you have any idea how much time and trouble it is to do those tubs? Forget about it. You go down to Brothers, you get this big fat baby, and you are done. My name is David Welch. You be sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Subscribe to YouTube, because I want you to.